Hare Krishna dear devotees, welcome to the Bhaktivedanta Academy. Today is a very special day for us. We are having a special feast offering for Srila Prabhupada on his Disappearance Day. The boys are working hard, trying to make special preparations that Prabhupada used to like, making himself, would like honoring. So everybody's getting together today for their offering for Srila Prabhupada and the deities. Hare Krishna.
What are you doing?
Aditya!
I'm playing.
Aditya!
Kachori. Kachori. Kachori.
Find a place. When you're near the spiral, that is the spiral.
Look. You have to really knead it,
Hey,
okay?
did anyone let you? Wash your hands, go wash your hands, go wash your hands.
Push it.
Get out your hands and play.
Leave that. Look, leave that one as a sample.
Yes.
And I'm taking nothing.
You wash your hands, huh?
I
Yeah,
know.
like this and then see what you have to do.
This is done. Now the proof is done. It's not the perfect spiral.
Okay. Okay.
Where are they? I think the whole bunch
You have there.
I think so. We need one more thing.
Yes, check.
Let's check. Perfect laddu. Perfect laddu. The kachori. This is kachori. Yay. The inner kachori.
Where's the cutting board?
Sorry.